DPS TeleClass.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. Myself, Mariam Soma, is here to take another thematic lesson for grade 3 students. Now, before we begin our lesson, let's recite the dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Okay, today's topic is seasons. So, in this theme, we have been learning about seasons, right? So, are you ready? Okay. What is a season? Now, you all have learned about revolution and rotation, right? Seasons happen due to the revolution of the earth. As you can see from the picture, all the planets, including the earth, are revoluting around the sun. Because of this revolution, we get seasons. It is based on the weather conditions. Temperate regions have 4 seasons. Now Maldives is a tropical region, so we get 2 seasons. But the other countries like America, Europe are temperate regions, so they have 4 seasons. What are the 2 seasons in Maldives? Now we have learned about the seasons in Maldives in our class, right? The 2 seasons are southwest monsoon, it is the Irua monsoon, and the second one is the northeast monsoon, Ulangu monsoon. Southwest monsoon is the dry season and the northeast monsoon is the wet season. Seasons in other countries. Do you know the 4 seasons that comes to other countries? Let's see. Number 1 is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So we have the 4 seasons: summer, spring, autumn, and winter. These are the 4 seasons that happens in the other countries. So first we will look at the season spring. Spring is warm and cold. So spring will be warm as well as cold. It is rainy in spring. Although it is warm in spring there will be raining days. Flowers bloom. So spring is a season that is very beautiful. You can see butterflies, you can see beautiful flowers blooming. People do gardening and plant lots of trees and flowers in this season. Most of the people love this season and people go to picnics also. This season is very calming and pleasant. So let's look at some of the clothes that wear in spring. Raincoats, jackets, shirts, jeans, boots are some of the clothes that are used wear in this season. And don't forget about the umbrella. Of course, when it rains, there should be an umbrella, right? And we also get the beautiful rainbow in this season. Summer. Summer is the hottest season. Now teacher don't like this season because it's always hot and sweaty, right? Summer lasts through June, July and August. So summer starts in the June and it lasts until August. So these 3 months will be very hot, right? People go to beaches, camps, okay? It is very important to protect your eyes and skin from the sun. As you all know, this is the hottest season. Your skin will be burnt, tanned, your eyes will be damaged because of the ultraviolet rays that comes from the sun. So we should be always protected, okay? We should always protect our eyes and skin. What can we use to protect? Yes, we can use sun lotion, right? We can use umbrellas, we can use hats. People wear white and cotton clothes. Now, as this season is very hot, we are not going to wear very thick clothes. We will be more sweaty. So, in this season, people wear light clothes and cotton clothes. Let's see some of the clothes and things used in summer. Shorts, skirts, t-shirts, sunglasses, hats, sun lotion, umbrella, caps. These all are used in the season summer. Okay, now beautiful leaves falling down. In which season? The fall season. The fall season is also called autumn. Now we will look at a poem, okay? Fresh. So the fall name F. I have written fresh. So autumn or fall season is very fresh. The A letter, apples. We get fresh apples, we get fresh fruits. Lots of colors. In here, lots of colors mean lots of different colored leaves we can see. Leaves falling down. As you can see, in autumn, the leaves fall down. This season starts from September and lasts to November. So, this season starts from September and it ends in November. Leaves in the tree starts to change the color. So during these months, the color of the leaves start to change from red, orange, yellow. Some leaves will be red, some leaves will be orange, and some leaves will be in yellow or light in green color. Leaves in the trees starts to fall down. So in autumn or in the fall season, the leaves will be all over the ground. In the tree, you can't see leaves. Days are cool and warm. So, do you know the name of this type of leaf? This leaf is called amber leaf. Now, what activities we do in this season? Going for bicycle ride. Yes, that will be very cool, right? Collecting pumpkins. So they collect pumpkins to crave for the festival they celebrate. Clothes or and things used in autumn. What is this? Yes, it is a scarf. And this one is called a jumper. Okay. Now this season is also both warm and cold, so they need to have some thick clothes. Okay. Otherwise they will feel sick because of the coldness. They also use this rag because all the leaves will be on the ground, right? So they need to take the leaves from the ground, so they use the rag. Denim jacket. Now I have a riddle for you. It's the riddle time. Do you want to see the riddle? I am soft and white. I can go through your hair. I come in cold days. My name starts with the letter S. Who am I? Now I have given lots of clues here. So that person is soft and white, okay? It can go into your hair. And that person only comes in the cold days. And that person name start with the letter S. Guess who it is? The answer is I am snow. Did you guess it right? I'm sure some of you have guessed it. So here is the Olaf. You all love Olaf, right? So Olaf is saying, hello students, it's winter time. Winter starts with December and goes through February. Now for the other countries, next month will be very, very cold because they are getting the winter very soon, right? So next month will be winter for those countries, okay? And the winter ends in February. The weather gets very cold and you can see snow and ice. People use heaters and lit fire to keep themselves warm. The next slide is about the clothes worn in winter. So some of you might go to a vacation or you might go for the holidays in December, right? Yes, some of you might go. So if your family is going for the vacation or for the holidays to another country, you may go to America, you may go to Europe, right? So which clothes you will pack? Which clothes you will pack in your luggage? Or which clothes will you not take from this list? Okay, we should take mittens, right? Okay, we should take a scarf. We should take boots. We should also take a beanie. And earmuffs are also very important because your ears will be very cold, right? Your hands will be freezing if you don't take gloves. You also have to take a sweater and a coat. Your body will freeze otherwise. And we should not take the slippers and short, right? Yes, we should not take because these clothes are worn in summer, right? So I hope you all understood about the clothes that is worn in winter. Okay, now what are they doing? They are doing some activities in this season. We can see a girl a boy and two men, right? What do you think they are doing? Now, there are many activities done in winter, and there are festivals also. Okay, but in here, which activities you can see? Let's see. The girl is building a snowman. This man over there is ice fishing, and the boy is skiing. And what is he building? What is that? Yes, he is building an igloo. There are other activities like skating. Okay, skating is also very fun. So students, I hope you all have understood about the 4 seasons that happens in other countries. Now it's the task of the day. For this task, you have to select your favorite season. Okay, from the 4 seasons, you select your favorite season, and you will cut 3 circles of the same size using A4 papers. Okay, and in the first circle you have to draw the picture of that season you have selected. Now teacher's favorite season is winter, so I have put a photo of winter there and I have written the name winter. In the second circle you have to draw and name 4 clothes worn in the season. Now as I have taken winter, I will be using here the pictures of or the clothes of winter. Okay, and in the third circle you have to draw and name one activity that do in the season that you have selected. So I have taken winter, so in winter you can build snowman, right? Now you take your favorite season and you can do the circles using your creativity. Okay, after finishing the circles you can stick the top of the circles together and you will paste the finished one in your thematic notebook. So I hope you all have understood the task. So this is the final product. You can use your own creativity, you can use your ideas. Okay, you can see the first one, second one and the third one sticked together, right? The top of the circles are sticked using glue and I have pasted the circle in the book. You also follow this direction. Okay, so I hope I can see many creative works.
DPS TeleClass